Today we are going to introduce the Nilight Double Row Flood LED light bar. Let's take a look together now. Open the box. You can see a warranty card. You can contact us to inquire about product issues through the contact information on the warranty card. Includes 2 pieces 5-inch LED floodlight bar with black aluminum housing and 24 PCS high-quality LED chips. Contains durable adjustable mounting brackets and accessories for quick installation. Five-minute quick installation. Simply fix the bracket to the lamp with screws, and then tighten it in the installation position with bolts and nuts. The dazzling lights easily light up the dark night, bring you wider and farther view area. Make off-road driving safer.